RV, I just want to introduce you to a brand new floor plan that I'm really excited about. I'm standing in a 2025 Coachmen Catalina 211BH. That stands for bunk house. I have been so excited about this because a lot of you've been asking for a true mid-size bunk. This is a 25 length, bumper to hitch. 25 feet is a great size, and it weighs under 5,000 pounds. The cool part, it can sleep 8 people. I'd love to take you on a tour so that you can see this brand new floor plan. I think you're gonna love it as much as I do. Thanks to Coachmen Catalina for listening to you and coming out with this. Let's take a tour. Let's start with the bunks. I have a family, we have 3 kids. This is perfect. These double over double bunks are a good size. When I have kids in here, one night we had a storm and I have a 5-year-old, she got scared. I climbed in with her. A true adult really can fit in these because they're larger, they're wider, longer. All of these have USB ports for the kids so they can hook up their tablets and enjoy here. The perfect place for kids storage is actually right underneath this bed. There's a little place for storage. You can see this is the perfect place to store suitcase, clothes, sleeping bags, and all the things that they might need. This bed also, this table, excuse me, also makes into a bed. So you can sleep 2 more here. The table comes down and the cushions fold over to make into a bed. You'll see plenty of storage up here. These containers might also be good spots for each kid to have their own container. A good above storage cabinets. And over here, another thing, I'm a mom, so I'm always looking for storage. Good cabinets here as well. Lots of places for your pantry items, some towels, everything you would need here, and a large fridge. Now everything's going to 12 volt. This is a 12 volt fridge. It will run off your battery. That's because this is a camper that is wired for solar. So if you wire it for solar, you hook up your solar, it will run off your solar panels, which will keep your battery charged. So this is also 12 volt fridges are bigger now. So this is a nice big refrigerator, 3 burner stove, microwave. We've got good cabinet spaces here and a really large deep sink. So here you go. The only thing this one is missing is maybe some drawers, but I don't have drawers in my own camper, and I have a little caddy that I keep my utensils in, but you can also have plenty of spaces here for your silverware tray or anything like that you would need. Now the bedroom, even though it is open, it's a queen size bed, and you do have a little bit of privacy with this privacy curtain here, just so if you want to stay up a little later than the kids, leave your light on while you're reading, that kind of thing. And you've got great storage on either side of the bed as well as storage above, closets with a hanging rack. And I tell you something I'm a little bit jealous of my camper doesn't have. These little hidey holes here right behind. So when you're sleeping, you have somewhere to lay your cell phone, your glasses, the book that you've been reading, all right there. So perfect. I love the way that they really think about how it's going to be actually used when you're camping in it. So lots of great places here. I will show you the bathroom. Let's head that way because that's another important feature. Here you will see your TV hookups. Your TV, you could put a swivel mount here, so while you're sitting at the dining table or if you're in the bed, you can see your TV from there. Let's take a look in the bathroom. This bathroom is great because you actually have a sink in it. Our competitors do not have a sink in the bathroom. You actually have to use the kitchen sink. And personally, as a mom, I love having that second sink. I don't want kids brushing their teeth in my kitchen sink. So I love this floor plan. I hope you enjoyed as much as I do. This is a really great price point as well. We are really excited about what Catalina is doing for 2025. And again, thanks for visiting us here at Camp Oaks RV. I just want to remind you that we're super laid back. We have a different kind of approach here. We love to let you browse. So we have a no pressure policy. We have no commission salespeople. It's just me and my husband, the kids, sometimes the dog. So you're welcome to come browse around here anytime. Come test this camper out. I always say camping should be fun. You should be able to sit at the table, lay in the beds, really see if you could picture your family camping in this camper. We want buying to be fun, browsing to be fun, dreaming to be fun. Camping should be fun. We've had a ton of fun as a family making memories that way, and so we want to help your family make memories in the same way that we have. So thanks for watching this video. Thanks for checking out the 211BH. Can't wait to see you. Hope to see you at Camp Oaks browsing this one and all the other ones we have soon. Happy camping.